coffee is loading. Do I need sunglasses?
Yes.
I didn't take them.
Peccato. Go take them, look at the Explorer.
I can't enter now.
You can enter. Or you stay without. Are there? I don't know you. If someone asks you, no. I never met you before. Look, look, look. She doesn't feel shame, not even a little bit.
Why?
What?
I won't have shame. Kumpa is to see the world. I promised your mother.
Ah. Look, look, look.
Grown-ups there. It's not something to be shameful.
Yeah, you're right.
So nice. But it is cold. It's still nice.
You have to know, my dear, that this place we have just seen from the drone
Yeah.
is called Torbole.
Okay.
Okay, so it's on the north of Garda Lake. And me, when I was younger, okay, around between 20, 25, 26, also, yeah, 30, no, before moving in Switzerland, okay, I was coming here to do windsurf. Okay, alone, not with my parents, with friends, either windsurf or catamaran.
Okay. So you are very sportive, young
I
and
was so sporty and so young and active.
okay.
So, because this place is,
Surprising.
is a really good spot to do windsurf, okay, in Torbole, because there is the wind, okay, is coming from the south, and then because of the shape of the lake, okay, that here is getting
Tighter.
tighter and tighter. It's like the wind accelerate, okay, it makes some waves, accelerate, and here it comes very strong. And the wind, there is a wind from the morning. In the morning, the wind is coming from the land, the mountain, but from the afternoon, it's coming from the south, the bottom of the lake.
So it's stronger in the
And
afternoon.
it's stronger in the afternoon, and it's called ora, because
time.
the time it comes exactly, well, exactly. Every day it comes and mostly at the same time.
Okay.
So now it's winter, okay, there's no one, but in summertime, around 1 p.m. it's full of windsurf. In the morning everyone is waiting there. As soon as the wind comes, full.
So in summer we have to come and see.
We have to come and see
Okay.
all the windsurf. Me now I'm old. I
think you can
I don't
still
even
do it.
remember. I don't even remember how to do it. But yeah,
This
one
is
day
so-
I should. Look how they are brave. Her with the panda. Now we are heading to a bunker from the, I don't know, Second World War.
Let's say like that.
You know me and history, we never been two good friends. So and this Montebrione is full of this defense
Defense
site.
walls. Yeah.
Wow, you see?
Look at
Are you tired because of Kung Fu, eh? He's really
So
heavy,
heavy.
this guy.
Look at
He's
this.
eating like there's no tomorrow. Tutti no.
You know, it is always best to try a different path on the way back.
Tricky place.
And thanks to this, what we just found. Go, I'll follow you. Look, we took a different path, and on the way back, we just saw this. How is the view?
Very beautiful. Calm. Without protection. Perfect.
Nice, huh? Where are you going? My father should not watch this video. He would be upset with you. We have some fritta misto. They have faces, oh my god.
LAKE GARDA is nice, no? It looks
Very.
like similar to Ascona.
Yeah, it's very similar to Locarno Ascona, but
The mountain are higher.
mountains are much higher. Look. Even if you have money, you don't have the liberty to do.
The liberty, see. Not the free one, the liberty. Huh? When you're married, you also lose the English. Liberty.
So, my dear guys, we are in this piazza. No, piazza.
Drunk.
Bella però. There's something inside. Remove the top.
Fried eggplant. So, it looks good. Buon appetito.
Anche te.
Good morning. Good morning. Already 11.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We took it easy this morning because sadly the weather is not too good. I mean, definitely not good. It is raining. So our plan is to buy some food in Lidl, and then we will go, I think, a bit up on the mountain. I mean, direction is going back home because tomorrow we have to work. But yeah, on the way maybe we will stop on a nice lake. Let's see what will happen.
So after a nice fast shopping, we decided to have lunch around the lake that Stefan on the map. It is looking like this for the moment. It's a shame the weather is a bit grey and I don't know if we will be able to see too much of it, but still looking nice. It is better than nothing, I guess. It is a little raining. Little bit of rain we have. Yes.
Perfect.
It's perfect.
Time to eat.
It's time to have lunch. I wanted to drink on the bottle. It's fine. Nice.
Fresh. Good. We say bye-bye to this beautiful place.
Bye-bye, beautiful place.
With the weather, so and so, but I think with the sun shouldn't be that bad.
Le pupule.
Pipule, allez les pipules. Va bene. So, see you now. We go back home, huh? Now we go back. Now we go back home and see you next time. 4 hours to go back home, mostly.
4 hours, yes. We'll do it.
Peccato. Va bene.
We have to come back here.
Yes, with the sun, baby.
Yeah. Today we found the rainy weather, but next time will be sun.
Next time,
hopefully. So 4 hours to arrive home, and we say bye for now.